Hi guys, so how are you all? So look at it, we have a very tricky question before us to crack, and so let's break it down. Just that you have to be there for 5 minutes so that I can show you how to master the concept of this, okay? Even the best seem to get confused by this kind of a sum, but we won't, okay? So that's a promise from you that I require. Okay, so let's get right away. I'll do it in just a few minutes and you wait and watch. So 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 3. So can we go directly 2 to the power 12, 4 into 3? And because we have 4 here as a root of 4, so outside can we not write 1 by 4? Alright. So this is as per the norms of exponents. Okay. And then we have a 5 outside. Okay. Root of 5. So to that we can write it here as 1 by 5. Correct? Here what do we require to simplify? Obviously 8. Okay. Which sits there as a dumb. So we need a little bit of treatment of that. So let 5 be there. 2 to the power 3. Correct? 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. Next we have this. Okay? So guys, here we have the same kind of thing over here, just that they have reversed the thing. 4 was inside there and 3 here. So we'll have inside 2 to the power 12. 3 into 4 is 12, and for this let's bring 1 by 4 outside like we did here. Remember 2 is sitting over here as coefficient for whole. Correct? So next we have 1 by 5 as another power. Alright, so let's write 2 as it was. This means 2 of this whole thing. Alright, what next? So let's try to simplify this. So when we cut these two, okay, we'll get what? 2 to the power 3 here. Alright, and then outside we already have 1 by 5. Here, see, 4 ones are 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay, 12. Here, let's get down with one more step. Okay, so we have 2 to the power 3 here. Outside we have a power of 1 by 5. This is a rational power, a fractional power, fractional exponent. Alright, any ways you call it. Correct? 5 is there as a coefficient for this entire thingy. Next we have here, let's solve this also. 4 get cut to 12 and we are left with 2 to the power 3. Alright, so we have dispelled this. Next we have 1 by 5. So let this block bracket be there, looks nice, and we have a 2 here. So something seems very common here, isn't it? So what is that, guys? So this seems very common. So can we pull it out as common? Of course, 2 to the power 3 and 1 by 5. And then we have another bracket. This is 1, for this minus 5, and for this plus 2. Alright, so stay. Okay, don't hurry. So we have certain options, and as per it we have to settle. So otherwise you won't understand. So here what do we have? Let's write this as 2 to the power 3 and a root of 5. And for this, when we simplify, we get a, ठीक है, hold on, so 3 minus 5, correct? So what next? We have a minus 2 as the next coefficient. Thus my answer is, okay, minus 2 and fifth root 2 to the power 3.